Per Inside EVs, BMW has begun pre-production of its Neue Klasse electric SUV in Hungary. Full-scale production is set to start in late 2025 at the new Debrecen factory. The SUV, codenamed NA5, will replace the iX3 and is based on BMW's new modular Neue Klasse platform. Patent drawings leaked last week reveal a design similar to the Vision Neue Klasse X concept but less aggressive. The Neue Klasse platform will eventually replace BMW's current CLAR architecture by the end of the decade. It is unclear if the platform will be exclusively for electric vehicles or accommodate range extender options. BMW has also announced an $800 million investment to expand its Mexico plant, which will begin producing the same SUV in 2027. BMW's goal of selling 50% electric vehicles by 2030 may face delays, with slower adoption outside China. Meanwhile, combustion engine models, like the next generation 3 Series expected in 2027, will continue using updated CLAR architecture alongside Neue Klasse electric models. You are listening to UON News.